Alright, the main hoop's all finished welded. Squirt some paint on everything except the bottom corners, and then the top corners where our down bars are going to connect, and try to get it in the car without scratching it up too much. And then so we left the headliner in here the whole time to make sure that we're going to be able to clear it, because I still want to have it in here because it's a street car. But in the interest of touching up paint and doing welding in here, going ahead and pulling it out. Visor's off, pull the dome light out, pop the last couple pieces of trim, and pop a couple clips off the back. Should come right out. 4 clips up here that are the last thing, and then it just falls on your head. I love the flake in this so much. Some prep work done on the floor here. Killed off the little sound deadener right there. I had to take off part of it, so decided to knock the rest of it off. Comes off pretty easily. Take all the paint off of all the area around our plate. Get ready to weld. Around the edges of the weld, get everything vacuumed out. Time to put this in there. So we tack the plates. We tack the down bars to the main hoop. We pull the floor plates, drop the main hoop down, perimeter weld the down bars on the top, put the plates back in, tack it all 4 corners, make sure everything fits, and then final welding. Simple enough, right? Passenger side's tacked. The driver's side up here, mark the angle on it, cut to fit. That's the reason we put those giant holes in the floor. Drop it down for getting the fit tuned in on the down bars. Makes it a lot easier to get to it with the grinder. And then he'll also be able to do the perimeter welds on these down bars a lot easier. Up there somewhere. Yep. So fine tuning the down bars. It's kind of hard to see, but it's the passenger side, it's right with the B-pillar. It's just in front of it. I'm getting super picky now, but really close. Take a little more off of this, fit the gap a little better. That's how you make a paint booth inside your car. Things painted, headliners back in, a couple of interior panels back in that we're gonna need the bar to move around a little bit to get them in. Start welding to the floor. Since the last time I was up here, Dad got the final welding done to the floor. Got it all painted. Turned out awesome. Right in line with the B-pillar. tied into the shock tower in the back. Down bars run right parallel to the body, out of the way, nice and clean. Looking at the car from the back, all you really see is the diagonal. All right, time to get the rest of this metal covered back up. Let's ruin this piece of cardboard before we ruin the piece of plastic.